Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to restore closed tab in PC Windows. Why would you want to know how to restore closed tab in PC Windows? Well, maybe you have an important tab and you closed it by the wrong. So today I am going to show you how to restore closed tab in PC Windows. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, now we have a tab, something like this. And by the wrong, I close it. How to get back? Okay, press Ctrl Shift and T. Ctrl Shift and T. It will be restored. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to restore a closed tab in PC Windows, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.